it has been rewarding in a sense that we don't do it for the monetary value. We do it for the revival and the revitalization of our culture and of our language. But it's very humbling to still be recognised and acknowledged and feel valued for the work that we do. Yeah, it's still a bit surreal, to be honest. Value is something that a majority of us need a lot more of in all roles, your role, in everybody's lives. We all need to feel valued, appreciated, and in turn, because we're fairly valued, we often end up doing more or giving more, or there's always repercussions.